Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today I'm here with a hair tutorial for you guys. I posted this picture right here on Instagram and I had so many of you reach out and say that you wanted a tutorial on it. It's a super easy hairstyle to achieve, so I decided to go ahead and sit down today and film this tutorial for you. Hopefully you'll watch this and be able to achieve the same style at home. If you enjoy hairstyle videos, please leave me a comment letting me know so that I will film more of these type of videos for you guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell down there so that you're notified of any new uploads. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this tutorial. Okay, so my hair looks kind of cray-cray today. I'm actually working on, oh my gosh, maybe third day hair, and so it's definitely time to kind of like refresh my curls. And this style is one that I actually like to do on like second, third day hair when my roots are kind of like not cooperating and they don't want to be curly anymore, because when I sleep my roots tend to kind of flatten out. So this is a style that I like to kind of go to and make it look like my hair is still popping even though it's really not quite popping, you know what I'm saying? All you're gonna need is a little elastic band. I probably shouldn't have worn a black shirt because my hair kind of blends right into it. And then you're gonna need a couple of bobby pins, just a few bobby pins. You can use whatever you have on hand, but you'll probably need a comb and some sort of like smoothing or teasing brush. I like to use this to help smooth any little baby hairs that I have. And then I like to use a pick of some sort or a wide tooth comb to help add volume at the end. If you need to kind of refresh your hair, whatever refreshing product you want to use is completely fine. I'm gonna use the DevaCurl Mr. Right to help kind of refresh any spots that need to be refreshed. The first step is to go ahead and kind of section off the part that you're gonna put in the elastic. And with the JLo faux style, she always like takes it from behind her ears. That is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna take it like from behind my ears and pull it up and kind of section off my hair. And with curly hair, obviously, you need to be careful. You don't want to like rip your hair apart, so just kind of carefully separate that. It doesn't have to be like a perfect part or anything because you're not really gonna see that part of the hair. And I kind of evaluate and see like what I have going on. I don't really think too much about it. I just kind of go in and do what I'm gonna do. So I take a little comb and just kind of smooth out any crazy bumps or anything that I have going on. But usually by the time I have like second or third day hair, it's pretty smooth in the front, so I don't really have to worry too much about that. And you're gonna take your elastic and you're gonna wrap it around this piece of hair. So what I like to do is just wrap it around 2 or 3 times, whatever you feel like is good for you. You kind of want to keep this ponytail part further up on your head. Like you're not going to put it towards the back. You're going to kind of keep it up on top of your head, almost like a little sprout coming out of your head, because that is kind of, it's kind of what we're going for. The next step that I like to do, you don't have to do this, but I like to pull a little piece of hair from the back, and the thicker the piece of hair that you use, the higher it's gonna kind of make your ponytail sit on top of your head. And I just wrap that right around the elastic because it just makes it look a little fancier. And then I don't even wrap it all the way around because again, your curls are gonna cover it. And then take a bobby pin and just pin that little piece in place. As you can see, I know my hair is so dark it's hard to see, but all you're gonna do is refresh whatever curls need to be refreshed and smooth out the front. So I'm gonna take my Flexible Hold Hairspray by DevaCurl and I'm going to spray this just right in the front. And then take my little smoothing brush. This is actually a teasing brush, but it helps to kind of smooth any baby hairs. Now at this point, if you have any like big clumps of curls, you can start to kind of separate your curls, which will add more volume. Just gonna separate this big one back here. Then you can kind of go in and refresh your hair, and since my hair kind of needs to be refreshed all over, I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of spritz it all over. And it's okay if you have a little bit of frizz, like that contributes to volume, so I do not mind it at all. At this point, you could even re-wet your hair and put in styling products and, you know, go through that whole process, but this is just like a super quick way to get this style. I always have one side that wants to be more, you know, fuller than the other. It's usually this side always likes to be a little more full. All right, so basically when you have it where you want it, which I don't like, nothing looks perfect because it's curly hair and it's not gonna be perfect. I like to take my pick and just kind of move it up the hair just to add a little extra volume. If you've got like really thick hair, then you probably don't need to do this, but I do not, especially right now because I've lost so much hair, but this is what I do to kind of make it appear. Like I'll take some hair, look how thin that looks, oh my God, and just kind of push the hair up, and it just tends to make it look a little fuller. You can spray it, it'll keep that volume, and there we go. That is it for this hairstyle. It's super simple to achieve. I love how it looks. I love how it's like kind of a polished, messy type of style. This is a great style to keep your hair out of your face and just to kind of jazz up your look a little bit, do something a little different. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I love you guys so much. Thank you for coming by my channel today, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.